Hi, my name is Sandra Chisholm with Coastal Realty Associates in Hampstead. I am really excited to introduce to you Soundview Estate. It's located here on Hampstead's sought-after Harbor Village Marina, minutes away from award-winning Topsail Island, breathtaking views. The house spans over 3,800 square feet. It has 3 bedrooms, 4 baths, a beautiful amount of custom woodwork, an elevator for easy access, and it has a wet bar for entertaining in the evenings. I'm excited to show you more. Come on. Well guys, thanks for letting me show you around this luxurious waterfront home in Hampstead. If you'd like any more information about it, you can contact me at 603-703-3470.